Hi lovelies, in this video I'm gonna show you how I dye my hair jet black. So please stick around and don't forget to hit my subscribe button for more videos. So the brand that I'm gonna be using is by Ion in the color 1NN. So I'm gonna pour that 20 volume in the coloring bowl, and I'm also going to be using the developer, and I'm going to be pouring that developer to 2 ounces and then mix both together in the coloring bowl. Okay love, so now I'm just applying the color to my roots. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is sectioned into 4. So first I start with the roots, and then with the rest of the color I just apply to the ends of my hair. And loves, if you're gonna use this brand Ion, you do not have to worry about it leaving a residue or staining your skin, because I was actually prepared, because I know when I use other brands it usually leave that dark stain. You know what I'm talking about, it leave that harsh residue on your skin. But with this brand I had no problems at all. When I was washing my hair out and stuff and I came back, all the dye was gone from around my skin, so I did not have to use alcohol or cotton to take off the remainder of the dye. Okay, so you are clear and good to go. If you're going to use this brand, you don't have to worry about it leaving a residue or a stain on your skin. Okay, so you're gonna be good. Okay loves, this is just a warning, okay? Please don't mind the faces that I'm gonna be making throughout applying the dye on my hair. It's just that the ammonia, it's so strong. It is so strong that, you know, it was kind of overpowering for me. So, you know, just please excuse the funny faces, okay? Okay love, so I kept the color in my hair for around 45 minutes and then I washed my hair with Shampoo 2 by Paul Mitchell to clean my hair, okay? And then I use my ORS deep conditioner and I left that in for 15 minutes. Okay, love. So that's I'm showing you the pimple on my face that I got. Oh my goodness, why is it there? But I love roller set in my hair. I'm not one to blow dry my hair with a hand dryer because I just think that that is just too much heat for my hair, okay? Especially if I'm gonna be going in with my flat iron. So I just like stray away from using the hand dryer. Okay, love, so now I'm wrapping my hair and then I'm gonna place a plastic cap over it. Then I'm gonna sit down under my hooded dryer for 5 minutes on high heat. Okay, love, so this is the final result of me dyeing my hair jet black, and as you can see, it's extremely silky. It is so smooth and it's just beautiful. So if you loved this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on your notifications so you'll be alerted whenever I upload my weekly videos. Mwah. Bye bye. You've been missing from my daily. Taking away